to my YouTube channel. 2 days or 3 days ago, I made a video concerning this platform, this project called Catly, which is giving out their uh, airdrop for free. And the airdrop on this Catly, you can use it to stake, but you cannot withdraw that actual amount of free 500 airdrop given to you, but you can withdraw whatever the staking yield for you. But so if you want to make more money on Catly, you can buy token by yourself. As you can see here, this is the token. You can buy it here, and this is the price here right now, the pre-sale price. Right now they are doing pre-selling, and you can see the pre-sale price $0.004. That is the actual amount they are buying it, or if you want to buy the token. So today's in this video, if you look up here, you will see that I have about 13,488 Catly token. If you look here, you will see that I have 10,387 token staked on this site, this platform already, this site already. They are partnered with Binance. They are affiliated with Binance. So if you want to register, you should use your BEP20 USDT wallet address to register. Your Binance USDT BEP20 wallet address to register, so that whenever they want to start sharing the token to each of everybody's wallet, you will receive it directly to your Binance account. If you don't have Binance account, you can check the description of this video. You will see a registration to register Binance account there. Register and do your verification. Also, if you want to get the token for free and you want to use it, you want to register on this site here, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. So I have shown you guys on how to earn passive income here with this Catly token. I have shown it to you. As you can see here already, I have already invested here. So you can see I already invested a 10,000 plus of the tokens here, which is about $40. I use $40 to invest, and I have been withdrawing on it. So for example, let's say you too, you want to invest on this Catly. You want to invest on it. So you have to buy the pre-sale right now, as the pre-sale is still on as their pre-sale is still on sale. As they are doing their pre-selling right now, you can still buy the pre-sale at $0.004. So when you purchase it, it will be giving you 3% daily. For example, someone that purchased $100 Catly token, you can buy as low as $1, which is about just 800 naira plus in naira. Yes, so you can buy as low as that. But for example, let's say someone who purchased about $100 of Catly token, or 100,000 naira. If you purchase that 100,000 naira, you'll be earning 3,000 naira daily for 15 days. So after that 15 days, your money will get back. The total token you stake will be unlocked back. Then you can restake it again if you are using dollars, if you are a outsider. So because I'm in Nigeria, that is why I first mention naira. So if you want to use, if in case of dollars, so for example, let's say you are someone that deposit with, you buy a Catly token worth of $100, will be making $3 daily for 15 days. For up to 15 days, uh in 50 days, the token that you stake will be unlocked back to you. You can withdraw your token if you like. You can withdraw your token, or you can use it to restake. For example, if you do it in 50 days, if you do it 2 times, that means you'll be getting about $90 profit. $90 profit. Yes, you heard me right. $90 profit in 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 a month over your $100. So that is how it works. So right now, if you want to know more about this Carly token, you can check the description of this video. I still put some other videos that I have made about this Carly token. I still put the link there. You can watch the videos. If you want to know how to buy it, how to buy your token, how to do some other things, how to stake it. The staking is very easy. How to stake it, you will see it there in the video. This is where you will just take it. So right now I want to make a withdrawal. I think I will make a withdrawal of up to $7. So I will click on the wallet here, which is up here, one up here. Click on it, then click on sell. Sorry, not that. Click on sell Carly. So let's see. I have 2601 Carly token. 2601. Let's see how much that was right now. So that is $8.67. But before I sell this Carly token, let me first go to my Binance and show you the last time I received money there. You will see that. Let me just show it to you, my notification side on Binance, to show you that this money is actually coming from Carly token here. Okay, you can see this is just my Binance here. You will see that I don't have any notification that I receive or withdraw any money here. So you will see it that I did not have anything there. So right now, let me make this withdrawal and let's see. See? 2601. So that is what I want to withdraw. That is $8.67. That is $8.67. 300 Carly is equal to $1. So you can see it here. So click on sell now. So as you can see, it's now on pending. This is the history of what I have withdrawn. You can see it 1604 3 days ago. I withdraw it 3 days ago, and 715, another 715 again. So those are my withdrawals here so far. Those are my withdrawal. My last withdrawal, which is 1604. Let's see the price, the amount. 1604, 1605. Is this 1604? Yes. So that is a 5 point something dollars. That is 5 point something dollars, the one I withdraw last. So right now I'm going to wait for this withdrawal right now to be successful. Then I'm going to show it to you on my Binance. As you can see, it's on pending right now. So let me just pause this video and wait for it to be successful. So guys, as you can see, it has success right now. You can see it's success sold out already. You can see it's success sold out. So right now I will go back to my Binance and check if I have actually received the money. Remember, 8 point something, that is what I'm going to receive. So you can see it here, the deposit of USDT in process. Let me show it to you. $8.67, $8.67 USDT confirming. So you can see it by yourself. So guys, in case you don't know, Carly is paying. This is not my first time, and this is not the first video I'll be making. I might not have time to share the video, another video to you again, but I will still try and be updating you about it. Cartley is paying. Guys, if you are interested, join it. Buy your Cartley token. Check the description of this video if you want to buy Cartley token. It's very simple to do. Very simple and easy to do. If you want to buy, just click on buy here. Then copy the wallet address you see here, which is BEP20 USDT wallet address. Copy it. This one. Copy it. Send the amount of USDT in BEP20 USDT you want to use. Send it into it, and immediately you send it to this address, automatically it will purchase the Cartley for you. If you want to buy $1, $2, $3, it will purchase it for you automatically. So that is it. And after that, you can now use it and click on stake here. Then stake it. Just click on stake and you will stake it, and it will start yielding money for you every minute, every second. As you can see, my own reward, staking reward is going on. So that is it. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Don't forget to hit that like button. This is a passive income, a real passive income. Before they get it listed, they will soon list the token on crypto exchange. If you want to know more about them, you want to join their Telegram group, you can join it here. Click here and it will direct you to this area here, so you can read more about them. They want to sell about 70% of the Cartley token, and this is their target exchange they want to list it on. So after the token is available on listing, after they sold out about 70% of it, they will list it on this token, on this exchange, crypto exchanges here. So before it get to 70% sold target, you have to use the opportunity right now and use it to make money. Even when they still list it, it will still yield you more money. So don't miss this opportunity. They are buyback right now. The price I sold one token is 0.00333. This is their listing price right now. You can see that their listing price is higher than their pre-selling price, so you can still make money through their listing price when they list it. So it's best to buy it right now. It's best to buy it right now. So this is the net raised already. I think this is the net raised, or the total net that they want to raise. So that is it. You can read about their white paper here, everything about them. You can check it. So 70% on public sale, 15% will go for to exchanges, marketing 10%, ecosystem fund, and 5%. So that is it, and this is their roadmap. This is their roadmap. You can check for their NFTs. Their NFTs are coming up soon. Also, their NFT will come up very soon. You can check. You can play lotos on it. You can just take play lotto. Is like you play lotto to win more. You can play lotto with your Cartley you have, the Cartley you have with you, to earn more. For example, let's say I want to play like with 500 Cartley. So that 500 Cartley, if I win, it will I can get up to 7,000 Cartley. If I win, I can get up to 7,000 Cartley. For example, let's say I go with 50 Cartley, I can get about 700 Cartley. I can win about 700 Cartley. So you can also still use this method to earn more Cartley. So, but risk wisely when you are using this. Make sure you risk wisely. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Goodbye for now.